What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Welcome back to Eluder Racing. But yeah, I'm back with another video today, and what made me want to do this video is this is actually pretty exciting because I'm starting to mess with my Maptuner, and for those of you guys that are been around for a while, you know what the Maptuner X is, you know who makes it, and you know what it's capable of. And it's an awesome piece of equipment that you can buy, and it will really change what your side-by-side is and what it's capable of dramatically. So if you don't have one, you need to get one. But mostly what caused me to want to make this video is I go on a lot of the forums, like I'm sure a lot of you guys do, and there's been a lot of debate out there that the Maptuner X cannot reprogram keys and cannot change a normal key into a performance key. Now, before you comment and say that the black key is always the performance and the gray is the standard, you're wrong. It's however the dealer that you bought it from set it up from when they were programming the keys. So in my particular circumstance, when I bought mine, gray was performance, black is normal, and we're going to go over to the side-by-side and we're going to show you that. But basically, before we do that, a lot of people on the forum say that the Maptuner X cannot program keys. You cannot change a normal key into a performance key. You can't take a performance key and turn it into a standard key, because a lot of people always ask, hey, I got these two keys, I don't really need a standard key, or I don't need a work key. You know, they refer to it as different things. So I'm going to show you that in fact the Maptuner X can take a standard key and turn it into a performance key, so then you will have two performance keys. So you would essentially have a backup key in case you lost it or it became damaged. So let's go ahead and let's start. So like I said, this is a normal key. The black one is normal. We're going to take it over. I've already got the cable hooked up. I don't need to show you guys how to hook up a cable on your machine. But you take you've got your diagnostics port underneath there, and you hook your cable up to that. And then you need to take the other end, which is a standard HDMI cable, and you're going to hook that up to the other end of your tuner. You'll know you have it hooked up properly because it'll go ahead and it'll power on and it'll do all that stuff, and that'll give you all the different options and stuff. Now yours won't look like this when you get it. I have other options, data logging, monitoring, and things like that, stuff that I had to actually pay for. This doesn't come standard on the Maptuner X. But what we're interested in, or what we're going to be focusing on, is the service tab. And on there you will see you have fault codes, DESS keys, reset throttle, reset service, reset history. That'll change, like for you guys that have to reset your oil light, instead of doing that code, if you got a Maptuner X, boom, you hit reset service, and you've just cleared that reminder on your dash about your oil needing to be changed. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to put in the standard key. And if you look on the dash, when you have a performance key, when you turn it on, it will always say performance. You're not seeing anything that says performance. Once that's on, you're going to hit the key button. It's going to do a scan, and if you look on there on the display, highlighted is the word normal, because that's the key that is in the ignition right now. The performance is not on there, or it's not highlighted. So this is showing you that you have a normal key in the ignition right now, and it's synced up to the system. So what we're going to do is, when you have that, we're going to remove key. It's going to prompt you and ask you, do you wish to remove, would you like to remove this key, blah blah blah. You're going to hit yes. It's going to process. Key successfully removed. Key removed successfully. Now if you look on the display next on the left, the highlighted second key that was normal is no longer there. It's gone. Only the performance key is in place. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a performance key. Processing, please wait. Are you sure you would like to add this performance key? Yes. Processing. Takes a few seconds. Hit OK. Boom, what do we got there? 2 performance keys. So let's see if it actually worked. Let's back out of here. Go back to the dash. I'm going to turn the key off. Pull the key out. Same key. I'm not grabbing another key or anything like that. Let's put it back in. What do you see? The word performance. Performance key. We have now taken a standard normal key and reprogrammed it to a performance key. Now for all of you doubters out there, let's take this key and make sure that I didn't just do a switcheroo or anything like that. Here's the other key, which is the gray key. Let's put it in and see what it says. Give it a second. Try it again. So there you go. We've got 2 functioning performance keys now. So I just wanted to show you that, and hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you soon. Alright, so just for clarification, guys, I just wanted to show you one last time, because I'm streaming some stuff live as I'm doing these videos, and I've got people saying that these keys are not both programmed for performance. So what I need, because when I put the gray key in there, it didn't actually say performance on the dash. It didn't say performance key. So I just want to show you this again. Basically what you need to do is, as you can see, you have to let the display clock out. And when I say clock out, I mean, you know, it'll stay illuminated for about 15 to 20 seconds after you pull the key out. So you need to pull that out. So I'm going to show you guys this again so we can be on the same page here. But you've got gray key. Putting it in, turning it on. Go through our startup. Performance key. Gray key. Let's pull that key out. Now we've got to wait. Like I said, it takes, I didn't really actually time it, but I want to say it's going to take us about 15 to 20 seconds. Once the dash officially locks out, then we will put in the black key. And we'll get the message for both keys. Okay, computer is now shut down. Everything's off. Everything's booting up. Performance key. Black key. Starts up. So hopefully this will show you guys on the forums that wanted to say that you cannot program your own keys with the Maptuner X. You can, and I hate to say it, but you were wrong. So enjoy the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do yourself a favor and go out and buy the best tuner that's out there, and that's the Maptuner X by Evo Power Sports. Jesse and those guys are great over there. They'll take care of you. And I mean, if you want something and you want to be fast and you want to be able to compete with the big boys, this is what you need right here. So do yourself a big favor and call up Evo and buy one of these things, and now you'll be able to do all sorts of cool stuff. So thanks again for watching, and please like and subscribe, and turn on those notifications, because like I told you earlier, we're doing lots of cool stuff. So talk to you soon. Thanks.